What the fuck?
What, Johnny?
Hey. Macaroni on toast. That's wrong.
Who the fuck puts macaroni on toast?
I don't know. It just came to
Yeah,
mind.
like who puts ketchup and macaroni cheese also? Like, come on, I do that.
I don't
do
fucking
it.
do that. That's disgusting.
I do it. I do it. It's so good.
I do too. Macaroni.
Get baited.
ketchup,
You
and
guys
hot
are
dog.
now heated and pressed.
Fuck you. Okay, listen. Macaroni cheese on ketchup.
Replace
Do you
the
guys eat your
pineapple.
ketchup with the macaroni and cheese or not? Yes, he's in the lobby. Oh, look, we're playing push. No, frontline. Yo, no way.
What's frontline?
It's where we put your mom in the middle of the map and just go at it.
Oh, like.
It's not a good start at all. My wrists hurt from fingering your mom so much, Tina.
What the fuck?
I really hope your mom never watches any of my videos.
920 by 1080.
What the fuck? Why is this here?
Oh my god, I'm gonna come in the sock and throw it against
You
the
can
wall.
crouch jump in this. Why didn't you die?
I mean, if we just keep going like this, we're gonna win eventually.
You said 1920 by 1080.
Yeah.
Echo secured.
Yeah, guys, I know
Your
I'm
mom,
a little
God.
too good for this game. Uh oh.
If you can fucking
New magazine.
I think.
Help.
Field of view, should it be at 90?
It should be.
I turn
FOV
it
is
to
really
like-
up to you, dude.
What do you turn it to, John?
I get a trench. Just like, I think mine's 75.
My FOV is at like 90, whatever the highest is.
Mine is at
I just got team killed.
Okay. Kicked from server for being idle for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Thank you.
God damn it, Tina.
Dude, this adds a whole new level to taking this point. I didn't know this existed right here.
That is not good. That's rough.
Hey, I'm loading.
Why'd I reload?
Ah.
Yeah, I know. I keep that ting on me.
The tingo skada. Skitty skitty pop pop pop. Boom boom boom.
Wow, this game looks like shit. Yeah, now it's starting to look stretched, but I'm still running it at 16 frames.
Yeah, that's why I keep it at like the highest resolution, because it doesn't matter for some reason.
Okay, but for some reason...
Mm.
All right, I'm at Foxtrot.
Somebody gonna eat her. Oh, fuck your mom. Oh, lay down. Oh,
I win.
Great, we took Foxtrot.
That's right, boys. I just took Foxtrot all by myself.
he's over there. You heard him go. "Ah, ah, ah,
Got him.
ah."
Let's go. Let's go. Fuck. Look at that.
Finally see what good frame rate is.
Johnny, get a job.
Why are you guys laughing? Fuck you.
No, I'm laughing
Oh my
because
god,
in
never
game.
mind, never mind. I just got a game and it's
Going, my fellow coronavirus carriers.
That was precinct turn.
Okay, can I get this?
How's quarantine going?
Guaranteed, I beat my dick about 37 times. How about you?
What the fuck is going on right now? Holy shit, just loaded in.
I have beat my wiener 63 times every day.
They're moving up through the street with smoke. Watch out.
Fuck. Oh shit.
Oh my god, Tina.
Man down!
No, there's a guy in the alleyway. Ooh, don't die.
Oh, that was a grenade.
Anyone know what CBD stand for?
Cock and ball torture.
He yelled it so loud.
That's CBT. I said CBD.
Cock and ball torture.
I prefer cock and ball destruction. I don't see no one.
Johnny, do you like how I move the whole fucking truck when I jump up here?
Why did they put smoke there?
Stop it, Tina! What the fuck did you do? You ruined the car!
What did you
I'm
do?
getting shot at now!
Oh my god.
What the fuck, Tina?
He flipped the truck, dude. I don't even. He did some. Oh god! Holy shit.
It worked for a second. You can ask Hunter. I'm sure he saw it.
I just saw you. I don't even remember what I saw. You just.
You saw the truck have the
All right, I'm
strip.
taking on him.
I saw
All
the
I
truck
saw
just
was
flip
the
over and
fucking
start floating. I was like, whoa.
I saw the sky, literally
It
just
was funny. I was just laughing, and then Tina gets arm just gets blown off. Just domed some kid. Bad.
dome some retarded kid.
Yeah, I domed the Ben 10 chromosomes. Bitch, stay out. Dang. Oh.
Did you die?
Someone just dropped an IED like 15 feet in front of me. I just watched it bounce.
Like this side right here?
Oh fuck.
Yep, that answers my question. Don't worry, I'll get him. I got him.
So, Rule 34, right, I think is what it is, right? Like, there's porn about everything. Do you think that
Okay.
there's gun porn?
Yeah, there is.
What? Yes?
Yes.
How bad is it?
Like, I want to put a blank in my AR and just put the barrel of my ass and fire it.
Okay, we're running out of time, guys.
Metal Spork is just hanging back. That's all he does.
How about help? Help! Please, oh god!
Come on.
Sitting back, doing nothing. Metal Spork just saved your ass.
Lizard on my wrist, nah. Bentley as a whip, nah. Spend it on a bitch, nah. Think I'll ever quit, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, nah. Made 6 tracks, 6 hits. Nina never sits, so watch me take a massive shit. I have to bust down on her shit. I'm really careful, don't want get. I'm already really quite a kid. I need a drip, I got a dip, bitch. I use a pencil to sit your ass down.